Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect scrambled eggs. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 or 3 large eggs, a splash of milk or cream, and a little salt and pepper for seasoning. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan and a rubber spatula ready. A small amount of butter or oil will also be essential for cooking. Let's get started on this delicious breakfast. First, crack your eggs into a bowl. Whisk them vigorously for about 30 seconds until they are light and frothy. This incorporates air, making them fluffier. Now, add your tablespoon of milk or cream and a pinch of salt and pepper to the egg mixture, giving it another quick whisk. Next, place your non-stick pan on the stove and heat 1 teaspoon of butter or oil over medium-low heat until it's shimmering. Once your pan is ready, pour the egg mixture in. Let it sit undisturbed for about 15 to 20 seconds, allowing the edges to just begin to set. Then, using your rubber spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center of the pan, tilting the pan to let the uncooked egg flow underneath. Continue this process, folding the eggs over themselves until they are mostly set but still slightly moist. The key to creamy scrambled eggs is to remove them from the heat just before they are completely set. They will continue to cook slightly from residual heat. Serve your perfectly scrambled eggs immediately with your favorite breakfast sides, perhaps some crispy bacon or fresh avocado toast. For more great kitchen tips and other deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle to help you stay hydrated, be sure to check the description below this video. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.